आप में से काफी एस्पिरेंट्स ऐसे होंगे who must be new to this concept of CAT and आप में से काफी सारे लोग रिपीटर्स भी होंगे जो CAT 2024 अटेम्प्ट करने वाले होंगे and hence one very common and one very important confusion जो आप सबके माइंड में रिवॉल्व कर रहा होगा, would you be targeting your D school? That means कितने स्कोर्स पे आपका कितना परसेंटाइल स्केल अप होकर आएगा। बहुत सारे एस्पिरेंट्स इस कंफ्यूजन में होते हैं कि they need to score a certain number so that they could get a great percentile. एस्पिरेंट्स अपने माइंड में ये मिथ्स बना के रख लेते हैं that they'll have to score high, they'll have to attempt all the questions in order to score a great percentile. तो आज इस वीडियो पे I will be making sure कि मैं आपको एक better clarity दे दूँ towards the score and percentile that you need to score in your CAT exam to score a great percentile, overall and sectional wise. Also, I'll be giving you a detailed analysis with regards to the selection process that IIMs use after you're done with your CAT exam and after you're done with your PI. Make sure आप ये वीडियो एंड तक देखें। To start with, एक बार हम CAT का एग्जाम पैटर्न अच्छे से देख लेते हैं। So your CAT comprises of these three sections and that is quantitative ability, VRC section and LRDI. Again, all these three sections आपको तीनों ही सेक्शन के लिए 40 मिनट्स का टाइम मिलेगा, making this a total of 120 minutes and that's 2 hours. ये चीज याद रखना कि once you are done with one section, that means suppose आपका CAT VRC सेक्शन से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, 40 मिनट्स कंप्लीट होने के बाद ही आप नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में मूव करते हो। Got it? The total questions would be 66, 22 from quants, 24 from VRC and 20 from LRDI, and the total number of marks that is 198. And accordingly आप ये figure out कर सकते हो because for every right answer you get a positive 3 here. So the total marks for quants is 66, for VRC it's 72, and for LRDI this is 60. Now let us move into the section-wise analysis कि कितने questions attempt करने पे आपका score कितना बनेगा and based on that score what would be the respective percentile. Now let us understand score and percentile in depth overall and section-wise. That means sectional-wise अगर आप इतने questions सही attempt करते हो आपका score क्या होगा and respectively based on that score what would be your percentile. तो यहाँ पे तीनों ही sections की मैं एक बार total number of questions and total number of marks लिख लेती हूँ. So for VRC, the total number of questions is 24, marks is 72. For LRDI, it's 20, marks is 60. And for quants, it's 22, and the marks is 66. Now, एक बार sectionally हम ये चीज समझते हैं that suppose अगर आप VRC में 45 score करते हो, that means अगर आप 15 सही questions करो in the VRC section, you can easily score a 99.5 percentile in the VRC section. अगर आप 32 सही आंसर्स करते हो LRDI में, that means around 11 questions, तो 99.5 percentile आपको LRDI section में मिल जाएगा. 48 in quants, अगर आपका score 48 होता है quants में, that means अगर आप around 16 questions सही कर लेते हो in the quant section, you will easily score a 99.5 percentile in the quant section. तो you get it कि इतने number of questions से, that means 15 in VRC, 11 in LRDI and 16 in quants. With these number of questions, अगर आप अपने सही attempts देते हो, you can easily score a 99.5 percentile sectional wise there. Similarly, अगर मैं आपको overall score का एक data दिखाऊं, तो overall अगर आपका score is 103, you will easily score a 99.5 percentile overall. अगर आपका overall score is 95, तो आपका overall percentile would be 99. And hence ये सारे ही based on all of these scores you can take a rough idea कि आप कितने percentile पे land करोगे. I hope now you are very much clear with the score and the percentile that you need in your CAT exam overall and sectional wise in order to score a great percentile. Now let us move into the selection criteria that IIMs use before your PI and after your PI. That means आपका selection criteria जो yardsticks IIMs use करते हैं before your PI and after your PI to determine the final score, how does it change and how is it computed, इसको हम पहले समझते हैं. तो I am using IIM Bangalore's selection criteria. This was for the year 2022. तो यहाँ पे if you see the pre-PI stage parameters, that means you are done with your CAT, आपको calls आ गए हैं IIM से and on these basis आपको वो calls आए, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे आपके CAT के स्कोर का weightage is 55. The weightage for your 10 standard marks is 15. 12 standard का weightage is 15. यहाँ पे you will see आपके graduation marks का there is no such weightage. For your gender diversity it's 5, and for your work experience or professional courses जिसका भी weight is higher उसका weightage is 10. So based on these parameters पहले आपको calls आते हैं from IIMs. If this score is good then आपको easily calls आ जाते हैं IIM से. Now once your interview is done, once your PI is done, ये पूरा ही computation process change हो जाता है. The figures would change. You can see the final selection criteria here. यहाँ आपको दिखेगा CAT का weightage was 55, it's changed to 25 now. 10th standard का marks is 10, 12th का it's 10. VAT score because आपके PI के साथ आपका VAT भी होगा. VAT के score पे आपको 10 points allocate हो गए हैं. Again work experience is the same 10, and now आपके PI experience के हिसाब से the score has been changed to 35. PI को 35 points का weightage यहाँ पे दे दिया गया है. तो you do see बहुत सारे aspirants के mind में ये होता है that they do not even go for CAT assuming कि उनके certain yardsticks meet नहीं कर रहे तो they will not get calls from certain colleges. But you do see after your PI the whole selection criteria changes. And because the final score is completely determined upon PI now, you should not be following certain myths and hence आप definitely CAT के लिए appear कर सकते हो even if you have a gap year या फिर आपको ये लग रहा है कि इन सारे parameters में से you are lacking somewhere. So I hope with this analysis of score and percentile and the selection criteria that IIMs use, आपको एक clarity मिल गई होगी with reference to your CAT 2024 कि कितने scores आपको कितने good attempts करने होंगे in your CAT exam so that you can land on a great score. And based on that score, respectively, आपका percentile काफी अच्छा compute हो. And how does the computation of these parameters changes once your final scores are out? For more such important updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram. All the very best and see you soon.